Hello friends, as you know, in JB's Man Cave I like to do things do it yourself. Now I had bought this trimmer maybe a couple months ago, and I like it. What I like about it is the blades are very fine, right? Not like your typical trimmer, so it's very close. However, I find the part here a bit too easy to come out, and in fact I was trimming my hair and was finding the blade sticking a lot, and even though I put oil on it, it still was, you know when you're trimming your hair and the blade is not moving as well as it should, so it kind of hurts your hair because it's kind of pulling your hair rather than trimming it. So I decided to take out the two screws and check to see what was going on. And when I did, the whole thing just kind of like sprung out. And then I thought, okay, well, I'll try to see how I'll put it back. But there's an element with these Wahl trimmers that was a bit puzzling for me, that's not typical with other trimmers I've used. For instance, this part, the plastic, this spring, and this piece here. Normally you just use these two and you kind of just fit it back here with a plastic and that's it. But with this Wahl, it's not like that. So if you have this model number, I'm going to show you how to put it back. Now interestingly enough, I wasn't sure how to put this back, and I called Wahl and they told me you can't put that back, it requires a special machine and you'll just have to order a new head for $14. And I was like, what the hell? I already paid 50 something US for this. I'm not going to buy a new head just because you don't want to show me how to assemble it. So that's a negative there on Wahl. Terrible customer service. At least if they had given me a clue on how it goes back together, I would have decided how to put it back. They said I couldn't do it because it requires a special machine. It doesn't require a special machine. Let me show you what's going to happen. Basically, this is going to be like this, and this is going to fit here like that. Now of course you're wondering where all this plastic stuff is going to go, right? So this piece of plastic here has some grooves on it, and this piece here is going to fit into those grooves and latch into here like that. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it and see if you can get it for yourself. Sometimes these things just take a little patience or whatever. So take these two pieces, right, kind of fits in that notch there. Right, running up and down. It's the wrong way. There you go. So it kind of fits like that. Right. Then this is gonna go in here. Now this is where they said it requires a special machine, right? It doesn't require a special machine. Just make sure these grooves are pointing up. It's a bit tricky, I'll admit that, but I won't say it requires a special machine. That's it. That's it. And you just point it down. So when you put this on this side, these grooves, it will fit onto here like this, and this part here will go onto the ball. And because it's a spring, you have to push down, right? So you kind of have to hold that in place while putting this here. Now this black part here is going to fit inside this groove here. Now that's the tricky part, but it's not impossible. Bam, like that, right? And of course this part here, you're going to screw down everything together like this. So the most difficult part, I would say, is simply getting everything to line up while holding it in place. But once you do that, you should be okay. Now where's my screwdriver? Just do one end first. Don't tighten it all the way. Because when you tighten it all the way, it doesn't line up. So you just want to get the screw on for now, just to prevent it from moving. As you can see, the spring. Then you tighten when it's closer. But with this, you don't over tighten. Huh? There you go, like new. I didn't have to buy a new head, and I just gave you the instructions of how to do it. So that's for model number 9899L. Hope that was helpful for you. If it was, make sure to subscribe. Sometimes I do it yourself, but mostly travel. But when I encounter things like this, I think everybody should know how to do it rather than being forced to buy something. Tell me what you think in the comments area. Thanks so much.